What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing 6 from Little Nightmares. Let's get started at the top center of our page with the inside edge of the hood. So we're going to start right in the middle. We're going to curve this out and then down towards the left. Go back up to the center, bend this out and then down towards the right, towards the same height. Now I want to connect the ends with a curve. Starting back on the left, come down in the middle, round this out and then pull that up on the right. Let's draw the bottom edge of the head. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve this down toward the bottom, then bend that back up on the right side, and then we'll fill the outside spaces in black. Let's bring the hair on top of the face. We're going to start back over on the left, curve this up and in. Now we're going to add a crease, going up and in, taper that back down. Now we're going to continue that curve over towards the right. Let's add 2 more points, going up and in, taper that down. Do that one more time, going up, bending that down. I'm just going to curve this out towards the bottom right. Let's go to the center of the head and draw on the nose. Curve this down and then up. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the mouth, curving up and then down. Let's go up to that top point, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the tip of the hood. Now we're going to draw the outside edge of the hood, starting from the very top. I'm just going to bend this out toward the left. Come all the way down towards the bottom to right about there. Go back up to the top and do the same thing on the right. Going out and then bending that down. Let's connect the ends with a curve coming down underneath the chin. We'll start on the left, bend this down, pull that in towards the middle, go out and up on the right. And go back to the center and draw a short line coming down. And we'll add 2 small black dots on either side. Let's move down and draw on the side of the coat. On the left side, just underneath the head, draw a straight angle line. Coming down and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Going down and out towards the same height. Connect the ends with a curve. Coming down the middle, and then we'll bend that back up. Now we're going to add 3 button straps along the center of the coat. Starting from the very top, draw a straight line. Step down, draw that twice. Let's close off the left side with a straight line, and we'll connect the right side with a curve, going out and then in. Let's leave a gap and do that again. Going across the top and bottom, close off the left side, and we'll round out the right side. And then we'll do that one more time. Let's add a small circle for the buttons on the right side of each flap. Starting at the top, the middle, and then the bottom. Now we're going to add that center seam in behind these flaps. From the very top in the middle, step over towards the left, draw a straight line coming down. Now we'll continue this in between, come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Let's add 2 large pockets on either side. Starting on the left, draw a straight line coming in, line this up on the right, and then from the inside, come straight down toward the bottom of the coat. And then halfway down the pocket, we'll draw another straight line coming in. Let's move out to the side and draw on the arms. From the top of the body, we'll step down, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the sleeve, line this up on the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the sleeve, starting back on the left, go out, and bend that up. And then we'll curve the arm going up and then in underneath the head. Let's add a seam across the edge of the sleeve. On the left side, we'll step up. Just follow that same curve coming in. Now we're going to place the hands in underneath the cup. Starting from the inside corner, start with a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Step down, curve out, and then up. Step down, draw the 3rd finger going out and in underneath the cup. And now we're going to move down and tuck the legs in underneath the coat, leaving a small gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out, and down towards the right heel. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round up the heel, coming down, and then up towards the left. Do the same thing on the right. And then from the end of the foot, we'll draw a small half circle for the big toe. We're going to stack 2 more toes along the outside. Starting from the top left, curve around, and then in, go out, and do that one more time. Let's go to the top of that middle toe, curve the foot going up, and then in towards the ankle. And then from the ankle, curve the leg going out, and then up underneath the coat. And that's pretty much it. There's 6 from Little Nightmares. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.